In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a symbol on MetaTrader 5. If you're someone who frequently uses MetaTrader 5 for trading, managing your workspace efficiently can greatly enhance your trading experience. Sometimes you may have symbols cluttering your MarketWatch window that you don't actively trade or need. Hiding these symbols can help streamline your interface, making it easier to focus on what really matters to you. So, let's dive in and learn how to do this quickly and easily. First, make sure you're in the MarketWatch window of your MetaTrader 5 platform. This window displays a list of all the symbols currently available for trading. It can get pretty crowded if you've added a lot over time, especially when you're attempting to keep track of only the most relevant ones. Having a tidy MarketWatch can genuinely simplify your daily trading routine and improve your overall workflow. Once you're in the MarketWatch window, you need to identify the symbol that you want to hide. Take a moment to scan through and select it. Now, with your mouse, right-click directly on the symbol you want to remove from view. A context menu will appear with several options. This menu is really useful because it provides quick access to various commands applicable to the symbol you're interested in. From the menu, look for the option labeled Hide. Simply click on Hide, and just like that, the symbol will disappear from your MarketWatch list. It's a straightforward process, but let me elaborate a bit more on why this could be beneficial. By hiding symbols that you're not currently trading, you can reduce visual clutter. This means you'll have more screen space for symbols that are of immediate interest, allowing you to monitor the ones you're actively trading without distraction. This minor adjustment can have a significant impact on how organized you feel while working, potentially leading to more focused and less stressful trading sessions. If you ever decide you need to view or trade that symbol again, don't worry. You can easily bring it back. All you need to do is right-click inside the MarketWatch window once more, select Show All, and any hidden symbols will reappear. This feature ensures that no data is lost, and you have the flexibility to customize your workspace without the fear of permanently deleting any essential symbols. In conclusion, understanding how to utilize the simple hide functionality in the MarketWatch window can be a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their usage of MetaTrader 5. Having a clearer, more concise workspace means that you are in control and can ensure that only the most pertinent information is at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide improves your trading experience on MetaTrader 5. Happy trading!